friends. Today for our small group, we're going to do a lesson. The title is I'm Thinking of a Shape. So we're going to be working on our shapes today. So I have 4 shapes in front of me and I'm going to describe a shape, and what I want you to do is try to guess which shape I'm describing, okay? So think with your brain, think real hard. I'm going to describe the attributes of the shape and then you're going to guess which shape that is, okay? All right. The first shape has, actually showed that one. Let's try. The first shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. So let's think about that. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. There's only one shape with 3 sides. Can you tell me what shape that is? You're right, it's a triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. Now we're going to draw the shape that we identified. So if you have a piece of paper and something to write with, you can draw with me. So in order to make our triangle, we need to have 3 lines. 1 line, 2, and then the 3rd line goes back to the top, just like that. A triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners. Good job. Okay, let's do our next shape. The next shape that I'm thinking of has 4 sides. But what's special about this shape is all 4 sides are the same length. That means they're all the same. Which shape has 4 sides that are all the same? It's this shape. Do you know the name of this shape? This is a square. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides, and if you look, they're all the same length. They're all equal. 4 sides. So let's get our paper back and let's draw our square. All right, so this time we need 4 lines. 1, try to keep them the same length if you can. 2, 3, and then put a top on it. 4. All right. Just like our orange square, it's 4 sides that are all the same. Good job. Okay, let's do our next shape. For our 3rd shape, this shape is also a shape with 4 sides, but what makes it different is that 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. So let's think about that. What other shape do we know with 4 sides that's not a square? It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. You're right, it's a rectangle. You see how the rectangle has these 2 sides are short and these 2 sides are long? It kind of looks like a door or a brick if you hold it this way. It's a rectangle. All right, so all together there are 4 sides, but we like to think of it as 2 short and 1, 2 long sides, okay? So 1, 2 short sides and 1, 2 long sides. All right, let's get our paper back. In order to draw a rectangle, you need to start with a short side, just like that. That's your top. Then draw a long side down on each side and then put a bottom down like that. You see the rectangle? You have 2 short sides and the long sides are on the side. That kind of almost looks like a door. If you added a doorknob, could make your rectangle into a door, right? Okay. The last shape that we're going to talk about, this shape is unique because it has no sides. It's round all the way around. So think about that. What shape do we know that's round? It's not a sphere because we know a sphere has many sides, like a ball. So let's think about it. What shape has no sides? Look at that. You're right. It's a circle. A circle is one continuous line that goes all the way around, and it doesn't stop. One line that goes around. It's round, and it's a circle. So let's see, can we make a circle on our paper? All right, here we go. So start at any point that you want on your paper and then just make a curved line all the way around and then connect it. So what did we make? You're right, this is a circle. A circle has no lines. All right, so we did our 4 shapes. Let's see if you remember which shapes that we talked about. We're going to review them based on their attributes again. So the first shape has 4 sides that are all the same. Which one is 4 sides that are all the same? You're right, it's the square. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are equal. This shape has 3 sides and 3 angles or corners. That's the triangle. 1, 2, 3, those are the corners, and 1, 2, 3, those are the sides. The triangle has 3 sides. This shape has no sides and it's round all the way around. You're right, the circle. It has no sides and it's round, a circle. All right, our last shape has 4 sides, but there's 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So here we go. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Okay? Now, for your assignment for your small group today, what I want you to do is choose one of our 4 shapes that we talked about. You can choose any shape you would like, and I want you to make a picture using that shape, okay? I'm going to show you an example of one. I'm going to use the circle. So I want to use this shape to make a picture. So I'm thinking, what is something that I know that is shaped like a circle that I could make into a picture? So I'm going to do one and then I'll show you what it is. So I'm going to start with my circle and then I'm going to add some stuff to it. And what did I make? I made a happy face. This is a happy face, but I started with just a circle and then I added some more things to it to make it into something else. So that's what I want you to do for your assignment, okay? You can use a circle, you can use the triangle, the square, or the rectangle, and draw your picture using one of the shapes, and then have mom or dad help you write the name of the shape. So mine is circle, so I'm gonna write C-I-R-C-L-E on my picture because that is how you spell circle. If you used a triangle, you would write that word, okay? So whichever shape you decide for your picture, you're gonna write the word and then have mom or dad take a picture, put it on Dojo, and I can't wait to see all of your good work, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.